My day is what 500, 1,500 yun.
Ano ba yung madaling araw na umalis? Hindi kayo magpunta?
I always give you money.
No. When I go out.
When you going out?
When I go out kasi, di ba, you said, you have no money, tomorrow you give. Di ba yung, I go outside that time, late.
Oo, tayo.
I don't remember.
Kasi nga yung, mga bata doon, nag-iiyakan. The children of that place, sometimes they crying.
Crying? Why?
I don't know. Sometimes I heard,
They sad? Are they getting hit? Someone hit
imagine
them?
ko yung, wala, parang narinig ko na yung, the voice is, I already heard that voice, but I heard that. Alam mo yung naririnig ko dati yung mga voice na gano'n, kaya yung mga salita na gano'n. Mama, take care, yung ganyan, I miss you, Nakaiyak ako kaya. Sabi ko, syempre may mama din siya, ganyan. Sabi ko, kaya hindi ako makalis sa magdamag doon.
Hindi ka na? Hindi ako malas sa matagal.
Matagal doon sa bahay mo. Siyempre, napalapit na sa akin. yung-
Girls.
Why you not sitting in here?
It bothers my back. It's been hurting my back. My back's been hurting.
Uy,
Ako. Sinisipin ako.
I need to go. I want to go maybe IKEA and buy some nice furniture, like 1 or 2 pieces, like a chair or something.
what kind? Abud?
I don't know. Go look. They have fancy, nice stuff.
At the furniture?
Yeah,
Old stock?
yeah. It's nice. It's beautiful.
Wood yun, di ba? Yung mga yung inuukit.
Yeah.
The
There's
spot.
one close by, a few miles away.
At
IKEA.
the oak?
I don't know. I never been. I see online.
Yun.
There's a big IKEA here.
Dati kasi yung ex-boyfriend ko, nakapangasawa siya ng...
Yeah, but I need some lamps.
Girlfriend.
They sell fancy lamps cheap. They sell fancy chairs cheap.
Yung isang niya yung isang chinelas niya. He have a 2 sleeper, but now, only 1 na lang. Saan napupunta yung mga yan?
Someone stole your slipper.
You!
I
Yours!
stole your slipper.
No.
Yeah, mine. Yeah,
The green.
mine. I know who has them.
Who?
I know the girl. I have to tell her. I gotta text her to bring them back.
And then my sleeper you buy. You allowing them to get. And then I buy my sandals, they get.
I don't know what they do with the clothes. I tell them stay away from the clothes.
My clothes also. My dress, yung black kong damit.
Saan?
Nasa laundry yun eh.
Kung di mo nakita dito. Dito nilagay yung mga babae.
Why you allowing them to get my dress?
The girl don't have a dress.
I buy that before
But I buy Lazada. I buy Lazada.
No, I buy that clothes before we met.
Oh,
It's mine. It's my, I buy before.
Show me picture and get back. Maybe I get back.
The black dress.
Okay, I asked.
And then the color white.
Maybe the same girl take both.
Yung puti. Ilan yung nawawala akong damit.
Hindi ba ako kasi umalis? Diba yung mga dalit mo, matabi mo? Pagbabalik
Yung
mo, wala ka.
yung maong.
Maong. Kaya mo dito yung laundry dito. Dito din lagi ng babae. Sa
Meron
nag-ayos
din
ng mga
dito.
ano. Kaya mo
And then you buy me color red and then color green. No one's left in me, Jay.
No one's what?
No one's left. Nothing's left like this dress on me.
Wait
I
a
have
minute.
like color green and then color red. Nothing. Look at my dress.
Maybe
Come on.
Grace. Maybe Grace. I asked Grace.
It's green.
Maybe Grace have. talk to Grace later. If Grace has, she get back.
Mother niyan?
Oo.
Who's Grace? Why is she getting the dress? The clothes? And then may t-shirt, color black.
They're poor people.
The color black that
Just poor people in the Philippines. The Philippine women are very poor.
Yung paborito kong kulay black na ano ba yun? Yung may mukha. That face have
Maybe Maribel.
Yung sa akin.
Maybe Maribel have. Huh? Maybe Maribel.
Maribel get that clothes.
O, iba babae. Ano ba yan? Hindi ako mukha ng hindi akin. Talaga yun. Ayun yan.
Hindi.
Kasi napanood ako, hindi ko naman tignan.
Saka yung white. Ito sa akin. Ay ano nga, I put your clothes only in here, ha, Jay?
Okay.
Para hindi niya hanapin. And then wala na din yung mga ko ay. Yung mga, ano ba yun? Butik talaga. This is not mine. Oh, sa inyo lang. I don't like this kind.
Oh, I think that Rose. That's Rose.
Oh, where is my dress? She left her dress and then she wear my dress.
I don't know. You ask.
Why they want my dress and then not buying their own?
Because they're very, very poor people.
Or people lang, ha?
Poor people. They have no
But
money.
Not
No money. No money, no clothes.
But they not why they don't have right to get my clothes.
They don't ask my permission.
Yes.
I
Or
say,
maybe you allowing.
kinda. I say, go look, see what you like.
Okay.
I think it's because I buy from Lazada. Where's my stuff from Lazada?
I don't know. They get your
I
my,
buy Lazada and I give away.
Also you buy the clothes.
That's
for me,
why we
I don't-
need. That's
nothing.
why we need the people to send us money.
Wala na nga ang ganyan, no?
Because I buy everybody things. I buy them clothes, underwear, bra, panty, short, dress, top, swimsuit. I buy everything.
I have 2 swimsuits in there.
You're a good
But
swimmer.
it's fine. But the others is in here. Like my swimsuit that I have.
You need to make a pile of the clothes we can give away.
You
Yeah.
find me again in Lazada.
No, but I want to give away. I buy you all the time. You have to give to the poor.
Why?
You
Your
need to
girl's
give to the.
getting it.
You need to give to the poor people. I give a tip. I give a tip to the girls.
You don't like this shirt, diba?
I like the shorts to buy.
Then why you give this to me?
Maybe don't fit me. They fit me.
You said before you're not speaking.
If it don't fit me, it may fit you.
Yes, and then I wearing a tube.
Try on.
Only this and then tube.
Try on. Let's see.
Later I will. You buy for the list. And then I cook.
We have food.
Nothing na in rep. Nothing left.
Nothing left.
Yes.
Okay, I buy food.
Jay, I put all the clothes in here.
Yeah.
Your clothes ba? And then do not allow other girls to open this cabinet, okay?
Okay.
Mamaya wala pa yung damit mo ay yung ano.
Why you need more sugar?
Because not the sugar na in there. I will making pulburon.
What?
Pulburon.
What's that? The,
I will
the
bring-
banana?
I will show you if already cooked.
Hey, I don't think I like that.
The ano, this clothes, Jay. I will bring in house and then ano, I finding machine saw
Okay.
that this and
Okay.
you said diba before I can
Okay.
sew in the ano lang only.
Okay.
And then the ano, where is the alam mo ba, inuwi ko yung ilang may butas.
Ha?
The towel ba? Haba. Broken. I always bringing in now. Because they pay that if they sew. Dalawa yata yung nag-bring. And then the other girls, clothes I will put in there ha.
Yeah.
Don't allow anyone ha to open this cabinet. Lalagay ko sa maleta yung damit ko para hindi nabubuksan. Alam mo yung lalaki na yun?
Ano?
Gusto niya ba naman tumira kasama ko?
Ha? Gusto niya tumira?
Oo, at penalize daw siya ng mother niya.
Hmm.
That's why he's run away and then he want together with me live. I said cannot because he's a boy and then I'm a girl. I don't like
Ano ang tsura ng boy?
Itsura naman.
Tapos, takat.
Oo.
Tapos, anong trabaho?
Ha? Ewan ko lang. Yun ang hindi ko alam. 2 times ko lang siya nakita eh.
Gusto na makipag-ano sa'yo?
Oo, gusto niya magsasama ako. Sabi ko nga eh, kung kailangan ko ng lalaki, magkarap ako ng lalaki ko. Pag kailangan dadala na ako ng lalaki doon.
Ano tsura?
Medyo lang nga. Kaya lang ayaw sa kanya eh. Tsaka alam ko parang mag-asawa. Diyos ko,
Tangkad, tas higit patente.
sisip yung mata. Tapos ginawa niya yung cellphone ko.
Para bumalik ka?
Hindi, ewan ko sa siguro kailangan niya talaga ng pera kasi nga pinapaalis siya doon sa kanila.
Sino nakatira yun?
Sa Brooklyn. Ayoko na mag-asawa eh, kahit na di sana pinaka-usapan niya na lang nanay niya, nagbago siya, di ba? Tapos nakuha siya ng word ko.
Kung hindi mo naman alam na may kalibin yun, umalis lang siya. At may papanin ng iba na.
Siguro. Ba't ako mapupuruanin niya, di ba? Tapos pag ayaw mo, kuhanin yung gamit mo, napaka-unfair ng mundo.
Oo, di ba alam, bubugin ka lang, hindi mo alam ang kali.
Kaya nga, di ba?
Diba?
Tsaka wala akong mag-asamang agad-agad.
Ikaw na, puso ka man, sabi mo ayaw mo ng gano'n. Baka di mo
Sinabi
alam
ko sa kanya yun. Umuwi ka ako doon. Kakong ganyan sa kanya. Kasi nga, wala ko parang mag-asawa, babae ako, tapos lalaki ka, mag-isa tayo sa isang bahay. Yung room ko, doon siya titira. Hindi pwede. Ayoko. Kaya nga ako
Laki
nagano
katawan,
eh.
hindi na tawad.
Ha?
Laki katawan?
Oo. Maputi.
Paano?
Junli nga. Junli.
Yan?
Parang Janli o Junli. Basta yun.
Pagkasama na ako dito?
Ha? Hindi ko nga alam ang tunay na pangalan no, dahil din ako interesado nga kasi sa kanya.
Doon mo na akong tanggap yun. Diba?
Hindi ko na tinatanggap to sa bahay. Dinala-dala doon. Kaya nga nag-visit ako doon sa kasama. Putang ina niya.
Direto lang sa'yo, no?
Ha?
Direto na yan.
Bigla na lang pupunta sila doon sa bahay. Tapos ganyan.
O, hindi mo alam mo pala, bubugin ka lang. Para lang sa kanila direto eh.
Yung mga towel na diyan ko nalang ilalagay sa labas para hindi na bubuksan tong cabinet niya. Bakit yung mga towel ang ginagawang basahan?
Ewan ko sa kanya. Okay, ipang bakit?
yung ibang papel dyan sa may drawer. Dapat yun hindi napakailangan yun. Ay, naku. Para hindi maano yung ano niya rito kung personal na gamit niya.
Oh, there's some soap. There's some soap in the cabinet up there.
Where?
Behind.
Only few.
Well, use. When I buy. I didn't order.
You not?
It's too much to order.
Basta ilalagay ko na yung mga damit na ano saan. Di ba yan o? Dagda. Or Fuji. Wala na talaga yung t-shirt kong itim. Dapat to yung mga damit niya na isasama-sama na yun.
Where's our pot holder?
Where?
I don't know. We don't have any pot holder.
Ah, in the CR hub.
We have so many before. The round pot holder.
What? Ah, ito yung ano. Yung dress ko na nandun sa may ano. Hmm. Yung nakita ng ano? Ng bolt.
Ha? Ano?
Ayoko nakakita ng bolt. Dati kasi nanood ako ng palabas sa ganyan. Yung...
Yeah, we had the round pot holder.
Yung
Remember?
round.
The
Nothing! I buy in the ano, at the street.
I know, but where are they?
I throw.
You throw it by.
Because ano na,
Dirty.
it's
Old.
broken.
Yeah, they were grungy.
Round then.
Well, we need to buy more. Where's the fly swatter?
What?
The fly swatter.
Nice one.
To kill the fly.
Ah, in there.
I buy 3.
Yes, have 4.
Now we need to hang.
I hang in there. Yes,
And I want to put the luggage up top there.
Luggage.
Suitcase up top.
That suitcase.
Both. We have one there too.
I put in my things in there. And then ano.
Yeah, you hide your things in there.
Because you buy that and then they getting.
No, you put your thing in there.
Yes. You buy me the things and then they get.
No, they
And
don't.
also
care.
my things they get.
I get you everything. Don't worry. I only give them things I buy for you.
No. Also the things you not buy they get.
Ay.
Yeah, because it's ano, I have memories ba to me.
The memories.
I don't want to
The corners of your mind. The red dress was so beautiful at the prom. Is that what you mean? You remember the prom because you were wearing the red dress?
This one ba, Jay? I will bring and then ano, I find because ano doon mayroong sewing machine.
No, you give away. You give away.
This one?
Too big.
Ano nga, I go to the sewing...
For you. You keep.
Ano naman to? Dress ko nung pag gano'n. No? Tira mo kasi you buy ano, very big.
I
kasi.
bought Lazada, but they send the big size. I buy the biggest because they don't have any big clothes.
Dapat tong hanger dyan din eh. Para hindi na mabubukas sa dito. Kasi personal natin siya yung mga nandito.
That looks like a tribal shirt. Looks like a tribal, African tribal shirt.
Try ba? My t-shirt also, the have face in here. The color black also gone.
African.
Yes. African ba yun?
African tribal t-shirt.
I don't know. But you buy that eh. Before I asking if where you buy that, you said in Lazada.
Yeah, everything Lazada. I'm done with Lazada.
Why?
Everything junk.
Not all.
Not all, I know. That's the problem though. You don't know which is junk.
Because
Before you buy, you don't know what's good, bad before you buy. You get cheated too many times. It's only little money, but it adds up.
But it's a big help because it's a little money, and then
I buy the
You can buy
cords,
them.
I buy the electric cords, they're good, and I buy the extension cords, they're good.
then it's broken.
The plants are good and bad, I mean, you can't help it.
No?
Ano yun sa kanila?
Maganda to gawing
I
dress
get
eh.
some nice plants from Lazada. Some don't live.
Mamaya magkina ko ng kung ano sa Lazada.
Okay.
Why, what else you not buy in the the list? I know you.
The grocery list,
Yes.
I buy much stuff, I spend 5K. 5K,
But not all.
most.
Tingnan mo na. Sa'yo eh.
You make another list. You make another list later.
I try to look what else.
Yeah, this online shopping can be challenging sometimes. Quite challenging sometimes, the online shopping.
If you don't like your roll-on, and then we change, you use my roll-on, and then I will use your roll-on.
No. Oh, the roll-on. You're so worried about roll-on all the time. Roll-on,
Because-
roll-on, roll-on. Why you worry roll-on all the time?
Because I don't have roll-on.
You smell like a rose. You smell like a peach.
And
You're like a peach.
peach.
A peach. You're like a peach. You're like a peach. What about Jimmy? Where's Jimmy been?
That.
What happened?
I remember Sir Davila. Sir Kiki. You remember ba?
What? Jimmy? What happened with Jimmy?
We don't talk.
You break up? You break up?
He wanted having relationship with me. I said
Perfect.
I said
Perfect.
I don't want to have a relationship, a serious relationship, because I can't give my. I don't know.
Why? You meet him. If he come, you meet.
And then he want that.
You do peekaboo.
He want that
He want peekaboo.
together with me.
He want peekaboo with you.
All the time. I don't like.
Melissa,
Oh.
yung picture natin dati yung punta sa Pasay.
He want peekaboo with you.
I can give.
Tell
my...
me about the peekaboo. Tell me what he want.
Oo. You show our picture to Jay 2 years ago. We have picture in
Tol,
there.
okay pa tayo dalawa dito ah.
Ba, maganda pa tayo dyan.
Melissa.
2 years ago. Padaan niya ako.
Very good. Very good.
Di ba?
That's you and Melissa.
Yes. We are beautiful in there.
You're still beautiful.
Hmm?
You're still
Ilang
beautiful.
years na yan ah.
And that Chinese, the Chinese, our friend is want to, gusto niya akong mag-wife daw. Pero hindi niya ako kayo pakasalan, kaya siya umiyak.
Yung
He's crying. Because he want to be, he want to be, my husband, but we can't go married because in the, yung nila sa China, cannot, di ba?
bawal ng
Oh, married na Pilipina din. He's crying.
He wanna marry you?
But cannot.
A Chinaman.
Yes. That's why he's crying. I want to I want to be your husband, but we cannot go married, sabi niya. Huh? Natatawa niya, di ba alam pinapaliwanag niya, umiyak siya.
Ilang buwan ako dito.
That's why I go back home and then I will not come back here. Kaya hindi na ako bumalik eh. Baka naging effort yung mga bagay na gano'n. Kasi meron sila sa bansa nila.
Total. Lost ko na.
Pinos mo?
Oo. Ano ba ulit tayo?
Uy, birthday ng cousin ko ngayon.
Ah.
Aaron. May cousin. Birthday niya yan. And then next month may ano ba yan? Yung may first baby.
Yan.
Oh,
Come in. Come in.
Sir, good afternoon. The opener delivery.
Yeah. How much?
100, sir.
Magkano to?
100.
100.
You give him 120.
Go na, Bin.
Wala naman.
Jay! You buy spaghetti at
What?
I miss the spaghetti of Jollibee.
Good luck.
Huh?
Jollibee spaghetti.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Good luck na naman daw ito.
You just had me order a bunch of food from the supermarket.
And then the
Okay, open.
check.
Let's see what we got.
What is that?
I don't know.
You buy sand again.
I buy for Christmas. Only for Christmas.
You came to me and never enough. You said you buy the speaker and then you give to me and then nothing.
I buy what?
The speaker.
Sticker?
The speaker you do to the
What's a
speaker.
sticker?
You said you give me then I bring home when we go to the Bataan.
What's a sticker?
Speaker.
Oh, a speaker for your mama. Yes, many things to do. People to see.
When we go to Bataan.
I don't know, you just come here last night.
And then the dogs are like this, nothing na. Only this one na lang left. I finding and then I saw in this. Apan, yung branet wala.
Laban.
Hey, weak. Weak. Can't
Where's a week?
can't cut the paper. So weak. I think they go over there with their packaging. What's that?
And then yung
What is it? Let me see.
alam mo, dami niyang ganito oh. Kaya ilang piraso na lang.
Open. Open. Open.
ibibidyo mo. Ako pa.
Huwag mo ipapidyo sa
Oo.
kanya.
Kasi ako yung mapapasahan ka talaga.
Eh, hindi naman.
Hmm?
Ayoko.
Open.
Okay.
Huh?
Pero no video na.
No, come.
Yung ano, huwag mo papidyo paano sa kanya.
Hmm?
Huwag mo pakuha niya ng video.
Ay, makita ka na ko. Pag ako na po.
Hindi lang.
Ha?
No, come, open. No, it's not marijuana. It's not marijuana. It's not marijuana.
Only tabako lang.
It's a grass. It's a Bermuda grass.
Ano gawin dito?
It's Bermuda grass. Look.
Yan mo yan.
Here, put here. I show everybody. Go over
kala ko
there.
ito eh.
Go over
Kala ko
there.
ito eh.
Go over there.
Hindi pala. Parang kasi
Open.
Sabi ko na pesos.
Ano siya?
Damo. O, ano gawin?
Ano yun yung ilalagay sa ano? Sa Bermuda?
It's Bermuda grass. Fancy grass.
Ano gagawin ko dito?
Bermuda.
Look, it's fancy grass.
Hmm.
Gonna put in the plants.
Oh, good.
Saan mo naman ilalagay Bermuda?
Gonna put in the plants.
Oh my God.
It's Bermuda grass.
Dudong. Okay.
It's Bermuda grass. It comes in the sheets.
Yung nangangawala.
Look. Look, you put here. Look.
Hmm. Ano kung ano na pinagbibili?
Bermuda nga? Ha?
Ano?
Bermuda?
Hmm. Binida mo.
Yun nga, ilalagay niya ako sa plant. Ilalagay niya sa plant.
You cut.
Hmm? Ay, nako.
Ay, nako.
Ay, nako.
Ay, nako. I know it's like $1. How can you resist Bermuda grass for $1? Maybe 100 peso, $2. That's Lazada. They got everything.
Ay, mahal ba? Ano ko?
Nagawin natin nagulat to.
They'll deliver. They deliver meat and fish. They have everything.
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Ano ba yung ano? Kasi na yung dating inirap ko. Ano?
Yeah, she's putting the Bermuda grass. She's planting the grass.
May dating the grass.
She's planting the grass.
Ay, nako, JJ.
I want to go to the nursery. They have a nursery. They sell all kinds of big plants. I want to get 1 or 2 big plants for the room. Near ABC Hotel. I see online. I see one of the bloggers.
But before they talking your wife before? Working? Before?
I don't have any idea what you just said. Something about before.
I want to forget about before.
You want to forget about before?
So I don't want to remember.
We all want to forget the past. We all want to forget the past.
I want to
What do you,
forget
what
about,
past, what
other-
past,
other
what you want to
things.
forget? Which past do you want to forget?
The not good past?
Which past do you want to forget?
The other past.
The other past? We,
But
if
they
we could
want to
only,
show in me.
if we could only forget our pasts.
Ah! I don't know. Your pants. I will sew the others. Ilan ba yung pants niya na nandito? Ilan na yung pants niya?
Kung walang pagkuha ka nga nila.
Kaya nga, paano kasi nga? Ano dito yung... May pakailangan na ito. Ito yun. Kaya pinaano yun. Sabi niya dun yung ko.
Well, it's good to have 2 housekeepers.
What?
It's good to have 2 housekeeper. 2 yaya. Nice to have 2 yaya.
Ako, JJ. Your brief in here.
Ah.
And then the shorts, the sando,
Yeah.
and then the towel.
Yeah, I buy
The,
many
ano,
towel.
The empty towel I will put in there.
Yeah. Need many towel.
Doon. Much better we buy ano, here. Like that.
Yeah, make a golf course. A golf course.
Yes. Dati yung amo ko, nag-ano ko ng ganyan eh. Tanim kami ng Bermuda. Tapos namilay ko ng abono. Kasi nga, ang tagal tumubo ng Bermuda niya.
I've been to Bermuda.
Bermuda?
I've been to Bermuda.
At the ano, di ba? At the... Ano ba yun? At the garden of my boss before. And then the, ano, the house.
Oh, we have Bermuda grass. Ooh,
We
ooh.
plant the, ano, the Bermuda grass. And then, ano, very slow to grow. And then we buy the, ano, the, yun nga yung abono. Ayun. Ngayon siguro namang problema na yun. Ang lago na nun. Kasi yung binili niyang, ano, Bermuda, ano, yung,
Napatalasan.
hindi yung kind na malalaki siya. Hindi yung maliliit lang, hindi yung pino. Ang model na yun si model na yung Bermuda grass niya is ano, the kind of ano, big size ng ano, ng grass. Like ano, ganito yata yung lumalaki yung, eh di ba yung Bermuda mga pino lang, mga ano lang, ganito lang ang laki niya.
Asan ba ito yan?
Malalaki yata yung ano niyan. Mm-mm. They growing ano, like this, Jay.
Ah, pwede gawing ano, Christmas.
Bermuda grass grow high like that?
Pwede gawing
It's a ano, it's two kind or three kind of Bermuda grass.
Mm.
Like that. Meron yung ano, very small lang, tapos merong big. And then mas much big. So, wala lang itong ano, para hindi na po kasara dito. Tsaka yung hangin. Ito yung mga sando niya. Pagkukuha na rin yata yung mga sando niya. Wala naman ako sando niya. Wala. Ah! Dati binigyan niya ako ng damit. Yung ibibigay ko sa kapatid ko sana. Hindi man ako nakauwi. Hiningi ni Kate yung iba. Binigay niya sa ano. Doon. Tapos yung ano naman, binigay ko dun sa... Binigay dyan. Para naman kasi kapatid ko yung sa ano. Hindi ko ibigay sa kapatid. Hindi ko nakauwi. Ano ba kasi? May ano, may clothes in ano, in Kate house until now. It's in there. I want to get but she's not response to my message. Ah, wait. Madami yung sando eh. Ano po nasa yung mga sando? Your ano, your the other clothes is ano, have ano na? Mga butas ba? Kasi ano na yun, pag nanindol ko siya. Kukusin yung sando. Pati brief niya. Yung ano, yung Madami yan.
Nakuha na nga ano.
Nasasuot ko yun eh. Sinatali ko pa eh. Parang hindi ko siya sa akin.
Oh, Melissa, I want to get one more chair.
Why?
Because like we need
It's already 4.
5, one for company. Company.
I will get the other room I asked.
Yeah, we can give the stool. I don't like the stool.
What stool?
Yeah. We don't need the stool.
The long?
Mm.
Okay, I will change. I will ask.
Trade.
Change.
Yeah, trade.
Change the. Then the shorts like this, nothing na din.
For you?
Yes, like that.
For you?
Because bakit diba?
Send me, I buy.
Like,
Send me, I buy Lazada for you.
You buy before 2 pieces and then Barbie and for me, diba? Like the.
Send me again. No, send me again.
Okay. Ay. Ay. I put the hanger outside. Pangit yung hanger na ganito. I put the hanger in the suitcase.
Mm.
Because not using naman because diba rainy season. Pwede ako nandito. Aray. Dati alam mo ba, yung naging asawa niya dati, nagpatago ng gamit sa akin, yung I remember yan, when I say something. Ay, nako, Jay.
Bakit? Hindi siya asawa.
Yung dati niya kinasama. Nakasabunutan ko nga. Hanggang ngayon, hindi mo wala yung mga
Ano kasi ngayon?
Wala na, matagal na sila nila. May patago dati na susto sa akin, wala na naman yun.
Oo, baka nag-abot.
Hindi. Nasa Manila na siya nag-stay. May asawa yun, alam ko.
Wala.
Pag na lang, maglabas na lang ako ng hanger na gagawin ko. Lalabas tayong damit. Meron ba doon hanger? Wala.
Saan?
Doon.
Kasi wala.
Dito ko muna itong ibang hanger. Mga 20 pieces. Sa atin, pag ganito, mga 20 pieces, 70 pesos na, 80 pesos na.
Hindi ka na, hindi na mag-estimate ko yun.
Mag-i-stay kaya lang.
Oo.
May inaayos pa naman. Baka next month pa. Gusto ko nga, pumunta tayo ng Padaan. Pero ano muna, pupunta muna ako una para ano. Kasi nga, hindi ko alam kung okay na ano yung mama, yung mama. Yan, ano kasi, issue ba before? Because they give my ano, yung daughter ko kasi binigay nila dun sa papa niya. Alam naman nilang gusto na yung makukuha. Pinapaalagaan ko dun sa tita ko yun.
Ano tayo ba?
Yung 6 years old. Nagtampo ko kasi yung mama ko kasi nagtatabang din ako. Ba't binigay nila?
May papakita mo na. Babae.
Nagtampo ko nga. 2 years na nagaw na ako. Bagay, gusto ko na rin naman pumasyal sa amin para maayos na ba yung issue namin. Okay. It's rainy season na. Naka-aircon ba tayo?
You like this room? You like this room?
To swim, to swim.
No, this room.
Yes.
Better, huh? Much,
Ano?
much better. Bigger. Neater.
Who's ano, putting the ano?
Me.
You on you?
Yeah. I buy hammer nail.
And then you like that?
Yeah, bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, you've been away 2 weeks. I've been fixing. Buying and fixing.
You're fixing.
Making fancy for you.
Aha.
Uh-huh.
Uy, ba't wala na yung alak mo? The small one. So, kung paglalagay itong gamit na ano. Bele, ano mga daw ako? Ilagay natin yung suitcase doon sa taas. What? Where's yung toothbrush mo?
Sino?
Niya. Oh, malaki na yung lagay. Ang basa. Abot mo sa akin. Mabigat yan. I told you I bring this guitar to my house.
No, I want to learn. I buy to learn how to play the guitar. Let's practice together.
You buy ano, the ano ba, the guitar ano, not like that. That one is expensive. The guitar I want is only for kids.
14K?
Ha?
14K?
For kids. 14K, what K?
You want for children?
Oh, because they want ano, in ano ba?
I want to learn to play too. I want to be like a Beatle. I want to play like the Beatles.
Beatles.
I want to hold your hand. I want to hold your hand. I want to hold your hand.
Ay,
Oh, please.
ay, naku
Say
po.
to me.
Cannot na the other one, the suitcase, where I put. Kapit mo yan din.
Leave out. We play.
I put in there.
No.
Or in here.
Here.
Why?
You play.
I play the ano, only in cellphone only, I play. But in ano, I cannot play.
Maribel play.
Oh, masarap.
Give me, I play.
Before, I want to learn.
Me too.
But always, here ba?
I know they tell you need to do exercise to strengthen your fingers.
Before I buy bigger than this.
I know, that's just a toy from Lazada. Open. Give me.
And then I tried to learn when I was 17 years old, like 18 years old at the time. Ano to? Ano, ukulele naman to eh.
Oh, it's a ukulele.
Ukulele.
What's it, 4 strings?
Mhm.
They show you how to play on YouTube.
Mhm.
They give you a free lesson.
I want to play that thing.
Are you playing good? I hear you. Go more, sing.
I don't know.
Sing. Oh my Jimmy.
Ano?
Oh my Jimmy.
Maganda na passenger seat. Saan natin, ano yung masakit dito oh. Like that pa oh. Like that.
I know. Let me try.
Masakit yan sa ano. Bakit yung mga kalaman?
Way down west where I was born. Way
Hindi
down
mag-big
west
land.
where I was born.
Because you buy the
What?
leg, that's what the calamansi.
Calamasi.
When we are on the, ano, when I was young,
I hope they live the calamasi.
the calamansi and then the
You think the
farm.
calamasi be good?
Huh?
You think the calamasi be good?
Yes, but they growing up in the big.
I know. I hope they're strong for indoor.
Not.
That's why you need the sun. I need the sun. You need to leave the window shade open.
Mhm.
Ooh. Well, she'll be
In there.
coming round.
And then we put in
when she
there.
come. She'll be coming
Because
round.
person
when
when
she
cooking
come.
the
No, I like that. She'll be coming round. It's a Calamachi orchard. Well,
Jay.
you know how it goes when you do like this.
we need to
You
ano,
know how
put this
it goes.
in a big
when
ano,
you
in a big
do
like
like-
this.
Okay, you do. You
We
know,
don't have
we have.
that black.
Yeah.
We have women's
Many here. Many.
Bill, lagay mo to dyan oh. And then if very big.
I know.
Ay, naku.
I
And
know.
then you buy one more and then I bring into my house.
No house. No more your house.
Because I have
No.
no
Don't take anything.
when I go to shower,
No.
no timba,
No.
Because very, not like this, much better like that. Very big.
What do you want from my life? What do you want from my
I
life?
don't know to you. I want you to be happy and comfortable and fulfill the, where is Sir Kiki now?
Oh,
Sir Kiki where?
Kiki, he here. LT.
The,
Other LT.
yes.
He want to buy a house here. He want to rent the room here, 8K.
Because much better
He have a
buying
room.
house than to renting. Because renting
No, he wants.
is,
He's gonna rent. He's gonna rent.
Before
He's in love with Wendy.
oh, congratulations.
Yeah.
She want to buy house.
No, rent.
Its name, she will put Wendy's name. Or who?
He must want to live with Wendy.
Because Wendy's loved him.
Lovely woman. Big girl.
Because know each other.
They know each other. They go to Mageti.
Yes.
Many long time, many month.
Congratulations to Sir W. She found her, someone.
They found their true love. The true love.
Because maybe when he is compatible for that relation, she can give her all time to Mr. W. I will if not not using the I put outside in there.
No, I knew that.
Yes, then ba?
Need to straighten everything.
I'm not. I buy na lang some other box and then I put na lang my things in there. I'm not bringing in house. That cabinet. Because me and Maribel need that space to put our things in there. Huh?
Okay.
Are you okay with Maribel?
Yep. Good woman. Good woman.
Yes. Before she's having a relationship with some Chinese and they relationship has 2 years, 3 years like that.
Mm.
Because she can have the relationship with other, she's strong woman. Joy, boy again small like this because my lips ba always and then I put this one in there because when someone entering the door, they saw first. Ay! Bakit tayo mo yung basurahan na ganito lang? Much better like that. Hindi. Or like that. That was too big. Ayan.
You give me one here. Trash here.
Trash can. And there, that one.
No, too small.
Hmm?
Yeah.
I put
Okay,
naman-
give me, but no top. No top.
I put naman trash.
Yeah,
in,
no top.
every night, diba?
Okay, no top.
No top. And then I buy some box for the rice. Much better. Because if it's stuck in the plastic, we can store. It have rice for nothing. Hey, Ma'am Chris ba asking? If why you have many plants?
My Chris asked.
Yes, ito. Oh, okay. Asking me for why you... Okay na yan! I put the guitar. Ay, hindi mo yan. Hindi mo pwedeng... Kapawan in here.
No, it's going to be in the way.
Where?
It's on the floor. On the floor.
There?
Perfect, perfect.
Ayun yung ano. Gusto ko ng box para sa ano, sa rice barara. Diba? Mas delicious. Yung rice natin. Ito ko lang lipat yung mamatay. Kailan mo? Pagsama ko na lang yung dalawa. Tapos po ako ng isang upo na ganyan. Ipalit ko. Ano, dalawa kain. Okay. Ayaw niya yung nasa ano yun. Wala na siyang tubig sa bote. Yung mga bote huwag mong tatapon din ha. Talaga talaga yung mga bote. Bote mo yun. Ano ba ito? Itlog? Oo, ito nga ito. mag-stand tayo dito ng ano. No? Para sa mga... Lagay ko na ito dito. Wala na binigay si Kuya ng ibang ano. Ibang... Ano sa ano? Sa lipad. Ibang...
Bonus?
Oo. Malakas mag-yelo ng break mo.
Ayun pala yung dati na. Ito sa ano?
Ano?
Ayun yung dati na niya.
Pero pa lang maglagay ng yelo dito sa ano. Kahit pwede. Yelo ako.
Ano yan ah? Yung sa plastic?
Oo.
Wala ko siya yun. Pag may mga ganun eh. Baka yun ang nakalagay pa na. Nakawin ko lang kalagay.
Ha?
Nakawin ko lang kalagay.
Ay, kawin mo natin yung gabi?
Wala pala itong kasama.
Ay, akala ko natin kung mag-stay.
Nakawin ko lang kalagay. Dito.
Ha?
Nakawin lang kalagay dito. Kanya ko yung kapag. Kanya ko lang kalagay.
Akala ko mas ka na yung sa inyo. Gusto ko na mag-stay mo. Ano pa? Hindi marami pala o ano. Ay, kagabi ka lang din napunta. Magkaroon ko yung mga namin ko. Punta ko din.
Isang araw lang po. Isang araw lang po ang wala dito.
Bukas na yung ano sa kuryente. Yung handa to, pancake. Weekly na lang tayo dapat siguro. Mag-weekly tayo.
Bakit? Ano yun?
Ha? Weekly.
Nasa red ko.
mo ako ng medyo. Why, hindi ko kunan mo ako ng medyo.
Salit-salit na namin natin.
Hindi na nagiging siya. Tapos mo ba itakil?
Ano ba? Okay na yan.
Pag yung itlog kumain, hindi na nila. Pero alam mo yung itlog, hindi na dapat nilalagay sa review. Nagbibitakan. Oo.
Ano yun?
Siguro, yun na lang. Wala tayong ano eh. Hindi yung gaspan.
Ano na naman eh?
Apat na lang pala. Parang apat.
Ano?
Ito.
Ano yan? Papatay lang daw? Hmm?
Oh, good, you found that.
The dustpan, where?
Diyan lang sa kabila.
Mamaya ko na lang ilagay. Nasaan yung isang ano dito? Yung malolis.
Hmm? Yung?
Malolis.
Malaman?
Hindi, itang ano yan. Yung ganun. Ito ba yun? Hindi, dito yun. Ay, ito. Nasaan yung ganun? Yung ganun. Saan ba na nakalagay ang dustpan? Dapat may dustpan tayong malaki. I buy like this big. This one ba? Bigger. Like that one.
I don't know.
And then the box. I will buy box. Tara yung rice dito. Ano pangalan mo?
Wala lang tulog siya.
May pang ano yun sa ni daddy.
Hmm? Bakit?
Nag-model kami ng rice.
Saan?
I don't know sa rice.
Bakit kaya tayo?
Ha?
Magal pa.
Ano na? Doon kayo sa kabila. Sa
Kaya magal pa.
Wala. Ayaw niya naman ako kasi doon. Gawin ko lang ba ako? Chill. Chill.
Sa'yo wala, di ba wala? Gusto ba kayo? Wala.
May doon dati, kaya lang ayaw niya.
Sa pangalan niya?
Ha? Pag ano? Oh, yan, may cheer na. Ibibili ko natin dyan.
Di ba na?
Kasi, yung isang nito, hinahanap ko eh. Pagdating hanap kay Romy, tatanungin ko.
Oh, get some pillowcase.
Pillowcase also.
Yeah.
Hello?
Kuha ko ng pillowcase. At saka nung nakahanap ba?
Bang?
May cover kami din na isa. Gusto ko kasi yung pinilos ko.
Wala.
Oo, yung kulay white ng book ko.
Ano siya isang pharmacist? Hindi ka pa.
Parang ano siya. Singa, oo.
Trash. Very cloudy. Cloudy.
Jay,
Mm.
I need to give 100 peso and 4 gallons of water.
Mm.
And then the pillowcase. We need to teach pillowcase.
How much?
100 pesos.
Everything 100?
The 2 gallons.
Okay, take. Who's down there?
Ma'am Chris, she need the chair.
She needs a chair.
Yes, who's getting the chair in other room?
What chair?
The one.
You get.
No, she getting. She asking me the one chair.
She wants a chair?
Yes. Up naman to
How do you know? How do you know?
She asking me now. She said, Melissa, you bring outside the one chair because only one chair in every room. I'm not telling that
I have for 1 year already.
it's a room. Much better, we buy na lang online, Jay.
She always have something to say. She always have a problem every day.
Ang ganda ng
That's the way I stay away from her. Every time you say hello to her, she's got an issue.
Much better if I na lang. And then they can get it if they
I know I want to go IKEA. IKEA.
ilagay mo ang tubig sa gusto. Hingi ako ng tapo. I know, I told you later.
Where's the young girl? The young girl owe me 800 pesos, 700 pesos.
What?
Yeah, because I give her 1K for laundry. She never give me the change.
How much the laundry?
Maybe 200. I give her 1K.
When?
Last week, when we see the young lady. Rochelle.
Rochelle? I asked. Iba ka mo 100. Wala guys, if you want. Hindi mo bigay yung sa'yo. Iba
Bless you.